I promise that I will lead from the front. I promise that I will partner with each and every one of you. We will learn from the wisdom of Mzee Oburu Odinga, the understanding of many leaders here, the energy of the young people in our midst here, and there are many. And together, we are going to make Kenya proud. And for your information, this last word I must tell you. The next election, we must win. By God's grace, we must win the next election. Inshallah, we must win the next election. Not for your sake, for the sake of Kenya. Because the alternative is difficult to fathom. You know? So we have no choice, friends. You know? As you sit here, you have no choice. Because the alternative, I shudder. Because a group of people who have no plan, no agenda, no policy, no vision, is too dangerous for Kenya. And so I want to ask you with whole humility that we must bear with one another. You know? And you people must also understand that we've been here before. You know, we've been here before. This is not the first time we are having a collision. Is it the first time? Azimio was a collision, wasn't it? Kenya Kwanza was a collision, wasn't it? So, what is the problem? Shida iko wapi sasa? Broad-based collision, kwani itakuwa iko miujiza ingine? Si tutafanya tu collision vile tulifanya zile zingine? Na tutaelewana vile tutatembea pamoja? Kwa hivyo, watu watoe wasiwasi bana. Sisi ndio mafundi wa hii maneno. Na tuko na mafundi wa kutosha. Tutaunda hii kitu na itakuwa serikali. Na tutasonga mbele kwa pamoja. Nyinyi mnanielewa?